Meaning of gainsay.
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 Gainsay. Gainsay is a verb that means to deny, contradict, or speak or act against something. When someone gainsays another person's argument or statement, they are essentially challenging its validity or truthfulness. The result of gainsaying can vary depending on the context and the situation. It could lead to a heated debate, a breakdown in communication, or simply a difference of opinion. In some cases, gainsaying could also be seen as an act of courage or integrity, if the speaker is standing up for what they believe to be right in the face of opposition.